Welcome to Facts for Fun. Here's 10 random facts that will satisfy your curiosity. In 1997, a bold and vengeful Siberian tiger in Russia decided to take matters into its own paws. A poacher had the audacity to shoot and wound this majestic creature, even stealing part of its hard-earned kill. However, the story didn't end here, as the tiger, filled with determination, hatched a cunning plan. Setting the stage for a thrilling hunt down, it staked out the poacher's cabin, biding its time for 12 to 48 hours, fully embracing its role as a fearless predator. And when the moment was just right, the tiger not only attacked the poacher, but decided to turn the tables and make a meal out of him. Back in the day, an inventor and factory owner named Alfred Levy stumbled upon something quite peculiar. A loose wire in his factory's phone system unintentionally turned the whole building into a sort of radio receiver. Just across the street, a radio station was blasting music, and this rogue wire took on the role of an accidental matchmaker, as callers were placed on hold. Little did they know they were in for an impromptu radio show, all courtesy of that single loose wire. As a symbol of international goodwill, Turkey gifted Mexico with an adorable puppy. The backstory to this heartwarming cross-border bond is even more touching. When Mexico dispatched their heroic canine search and rescue teams to aid Turkey after an earthquake in February, one of these brave dogs sadly lost its life. In a beautiful act of solidarity, Turkey decided to pass the torch of hope and healing. They gifted Mexico a new puppy, hoping that this little hero would carry forward the legacy of its predecessor. It's a positively heartwarming tale of friendship and resilience between nations. In Los Angeles, an engineer named Alan Pan managed to create an authentic replica of Thor's iconic hammer. And here's the fascinating part: it can only be wielded by him. How did he achieve this incredible feat? It's all thanks to his mastery of cutting-edge technology, using electromagnets and a handle equipped with a touch-sensitive fingerprint scanner. Alan created a hammer that defies the laws of ordinary physics. The electromagnets hold the hammer firmly in place, but only when he touches it and disables the magnets with his unique fingerprint can it be lifted. That means nobody else on Earth can budge this modern-day Mjolnir. It's a real-life superhero gadget that's bound to leave you thunderstruck. Japan is home to popsicles that refuse to melt. The story began shortly after the 2011 earthquake and tsunami, as experts embarked on a mission to rescue the recovering strawberry crops. But here's where things get chillingly interesting. During their experiments, they stumbled upon an accidental breakthrough. It turns out, liquid polyphenol extracted from these strawberries had a surprising superpower. It could turn cream into a solid, frosty delight. The result: Conazo ice, a popsicle sensation that boldly defies the laws of heat. These icy treats proudly retain their shapes even when faced with the scorching blast of a hairdryer. It's a refreshingly cool twist in the world of frozen desserts. Have you ever wondered why dogs always seem to circle before taking a nap? Well, it's a quirky behavior rooted in their evolutionary history. Back in the days of their wild ancestors, dogs used to bed down in the great outdoors. The circling ritual served a clever purpose. It allowed them to survey their surroundings for potential threats. By rotating in circles, they could get a lay of the land and ensure there were no lurking dangers. Additionally, dogs used this spinning behavior to gauge the direction of the wind, as the wind carried crucial information in the form of scents. By determining the wind's path, they could catch whiffs of any approaching predators or opportunities, even while dozing off. So, the next time you see your pup doing the circle dance, remember, it's a tradition passed down from their vigilant ancestors. According to scientific studies, procrastination is often a response to stress or unwarranted negative self-perceptions, rather than a result of laziness or poor time management. So, the next time you notice yourself procrastinating, there's no need to worry. Instead, view it as a challenge to unravel. Is your procrastination connected to concealed fears, anxiety, ADHD, or another underlying factor? Think of it as peeling back the layers of the procrastination puzzle. There's often more beneath the surface than you might think. In the late 1800s, the director of the Harvard College Observatory found himself exasperated with his male staff and quipped that even his maid could do a better job. He decided to put that to the test by hiring his maid, Williamina Fleming. Not only did she prove her worth, but she also went on to make stellar discoveries. Williamina Fleming is the cosmic superstar who uncovered the breathtaking Horsehead Nebula and played a pivotal role in cataloguing tens of thousands of stars. She then became one of the most prominent female astronomers in the world. Talk about a celestial twist in the tale. Elephants have distinct rituals surrounding death, and on numerous occasions, they've displayed remarkable compassion towards humans. In one extraordinary instance, an elderly Turkana woman fell asleep under a tree and was awakened by an elephant gently touching her. What followed was truly heartwarming as more elephants joined in, creating a protective cocoon of branches around her. Miraculously, she was found the next morning unharmed. Thanks to these benevolent giants, a Polish environmental charity had a brilliant idea of tracking the migratory adventures of a white stork using a GPS tracker. This daring bird embarked on a journey of approximately 3,700 miles, all the way to a scenic valley in Sudan. But here's where the story takes a comical twist. After losing contact with their avian explorer, the charity received a jaw-dropping phone bill amounting to a whopping $2,700. It turns out that an astute individual in Sudan stumbled upon the tracker, discovered the hidden SIM card, and opted for an extended spree of 20 hours worth of phone calls. Talk about an unexpected international phone bill. Courtesy of one curious stork's globetrotting adventure,